Hey, I'm here again with my young man, KC, and we're gonna do the 4S procedure on a French pane, which is a little more tricky than the regular 2-pane window. So we're gonna see how long it takes and use the 4S process again, which is soap, quick squeegee, spray with the purified water, squeegee again, more detailed, and then detail with your rags. Okay, start the clock. Your mark is set, go. See how it drips through sometimes?
Yes, sir.
Try to get all the outside of the glass and the corners and the edges. Cool. Take an appropriate size squeegee. This is the quick squeegee. For sure it doesn't have to be perfect. This gets any dirt off or any smudges, hopefully, and fingerprints, dog breath. Okay, that's the first two S's right there. Now we'll do the third S, which is the purified water. Now this is where I like to wipe up a little bit. Let that water dwell on the glass. Underneath the sash is where you usually have trouble. You want to get the pools and the puddles up at this point, because you will have leakage, but you want to minimize it. Okay, now we're doing the final S. I like to do that starting at the top row. The window's broken.
Nope.
I didn't do it. All right, that's the top row. Now this is going to be dripping down into the one below it, but I also want to get the pools and puddles off at this point, so it'll be easier on your final detail. Now I go from the top level down to the third, sort of way I've imagined, so that you have less drippage. Try to eliminate the water as you go. You go back to the level of the second level. Some final squeegee. Keep the water in your control. Try to keep one end of your squeegee dry, if possible. Okay, that's the 4S. Now you use your blue rag for the final detail around the edges. Oh, this one was dirty. Keep turning your rag so you're always working from a dry spot on it. It doesn't do any good to go slow when you're detailing. If you go slow, you're not going to get the same results. You got to move your rag fast, the same way as you move your squeegee fast. Now, there are shortcuts to this procedure, and you'll learn those as you go. But if you use the 4S procedure, you're going to have excellent result with very little skill. Time.